It's the new year. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and do different stuff. So there was this R&B like mood type of night thing going on at this the bar slash lounge in Dallas, and I really wanted to go. So I'm going by myself. I don't know why I'm laughing, but I'm going by myself. I have never been like out like to a bar or a club by myself. So I'm trying something different. Yeah, but I'm like, hey, I really want to go, and yeah, so I'm taking y'all with me. Let's go.